Time check. Current time is 1:55. Battery is 99%. Distance is 296 kilometers. Stick with us as we go from Santa Rosa, Laguna to Malawag and to Baguio City. Join us in our journey with the life of the sweets. Update, it's 3:03 a.m. We just arrived at Shell Balagtas and we are currently at 71% battery life with 200 kilometers of our range. We'll check back with you. We'll just grab a bite and stay tuned.
Oh. Hello.
So, just an update. We stopped over at Hacienda Luisita's Wyndham Hotel as our kilometers were winding down to 94 kilometers and we still have around 118 just to reach Manawag. So we're here and still charging with an AC charger. And I'll let you know as soon as we get to our next destination where we can charge with a DC one. We just finished charging at CD Mall. We're at 100% with 288 kilometers and going to Manawag. It's 12:37 in the afternoon. Andito na kami sa Baguio City, sa Aldea Hotel and Cafe. Basically, figuring papunta namin sa Manawag kasi wala silang car blessing. So, Steven, or BYT Seagull, hindi siya na-bless. So, from there, dumiretso na kami sa hotel for quick check-in. So, from 100% from Tarlac going to Manawag and Manawag going to Baguio, current battery is 50% and we still have 121 kilometers.